how to convert your Lovable AI app into an APK file. Open up Lovable, then click on all projects and find the app which you want to convert into an APK file. From here, we will click on publish in the top right corner and just get the link. Once you have the link to your app, you will go to this website, median.co, and you will just need to paste your link right here and you will click on build your app. Once you click on build your app, then here you will need to set a name for it. I'm just going to leave it as it is and you will click on start building my app. Now here, if you click on simulator, it is going to show you the progress. It is going to build it for iPhone and Android. You need it for Android. And from the left hand side, once this is complete, you will see APK/AAB file. Click on build. This is going to build the APK file. And once this builds the APK file, this button is going to become a download button. So we're just going to wait for it. I just want to show you that it does in fact work. So wait for it to finish. And okay, we are almost done. So nice weather we're having. Okay, so just like that, if you click on download, you can choose download APK, and this is gonna download the APK file for you. And just like that, APK release. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.